What's up, YouTube? On today's video I am doing a clear bra on a 2021 Audi RS5. I'm just getting it cleaned up right now with some alcohol, and in just a short moment I'll get started. Says make more money. Learned about them from another installer. Pretty nice. First day using them. Used them on an install this morning. Oh dude, this kit fits so good. Alright, we're going to come back to that area. I'm going to get the other side and then we'll tack this down. Squeegee is really good. Make more money. Came with the whole set. Got a bunch of them right here. Got a little one right here. Yeah, the kit fit really good. It's from Xpel. It's Xpel film. It was kind of like a last minute thing, so I just quickly called them up, picked it up. Yeah, the kit A+. It fit really good. Now I just gotta put the other pieces in, but I'll show you what it looks like right now. Actually, you probably won't even see it, but I'll try. showing you what it looks like. You just can't see it. You have to see it in person. I got it really close to the edge, and on all the edges on purpose. And yeah, you can't see it, but especially on gray. Yeah, there's a couple areas that I need just to dry up before I press down, like right in here, right in there somewhere. And yeah, but in the meantime, I'm gonna get the other pieces on. There is a splice right here on both sides, pretty common on bumper kits. So I gotta lay this bottom section and a couple other random miscellaneous pieces, and then I'm done. So